The Tai Chi opening movement requires us to shift our weight. And in Tai Chi, one leg is empty of the weight before we move it. The other leg is full of the weight. So let's start by opening the door, the opening movement of Tai Chi, and shift all of your weight, pour your weight, all on the right foot, leaving your left foot light, empty of weight, and you can lift up the heel, lift up the knee, place it out to the side, place the heel down, shift your weight from right to left. We end up in a stance where our feet are roughly shoulder width apart or hip width apart, a little bit narrower, a little bit wider, whatever is comfortable for you. The knees are softly bent. The feet are parallel, toes pointed forward. The weight is felt across all the foot as we bend the knees and sink our weight. Bottom part of the body is heavy. Top light. The top of the head floats like a thread is lifting the crown, but it lifts from the bottom of the spine up. We straighten up, increasing space in between the vertebrae, and we tuck the chin. Bottom heavy, top light. Inhale, float. Exhale, sink. Sink the lower body, float the upper body. Sigh of relief. Relax from head to toe. Now let's close by pouring all the weight back into the right side. All the weight, before you move the left, all the weight has to be on the right. More. Relax. Sink the weight. Lift the heel. Place it over and down. We have already walked one step to the side. Walking side to side just repeats this. Sinking the weight to the right. Right leg full. Left leg empty. Out. Down, shifting the weight to the left, removing the weight off the right. Right heel up, knee up, ball of the foot down, heel down. Let's keep flowing like water to the side. Out, down, in, down, out, down, in, down. Now we're going to go back to the other side, shifting the weight to the left, stepping out with the right. Out, down, flowing, shifting our weight. Flowing like water. Back to the center. Now follow me from behind. Shifting the weight to the right, lifting up the left. Lifting up the knee, over, down, shifting the weight 50-50. Continue shifting weight. Practicing empty, full. The weight fully on our right, emptying out the left, out, down, 50-50 weight distribution, and pouring over into the left, lifting up the right and down. Then the weight on the right, the weight on the left, back, back to center. From here, shift all the way to the right. Pick up the heel of the left. Bring it in and down. One more time, silently. And let's close. Shifting the weight to the right, pulling in the left, heel down. Thank you for joining me with Open the Door and Walking Side to Side.